The TV is the center of nearly every household and the place where friends and family congregate to kick back and relax after a hard day. As TV sets get bigger, people are searching for more innovative ways to display their TV set that is safe, functional, and stylish. While an entertainment unit provides ample space for storage, many small homes cannot fit a large unit in their living space without compromising on comfort. On the other hand, a TV mount frees up space in your home by placing the TV on the wall, but leaves you without any storage space. A TV stand with mount solves both these issues by providing you with a secure attachment for your TV screen with ample storage underneath. Regarding design options, there are several TV stand design ideas to choose from. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of beautiful modern TV stand design ideas for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the benefits of having a TV stand is that it frees up floor space. Wall-mounted TVs have become a popular feature in many modern homes for their space-saving capacity and minimalist style. However, a problem arises with a lack of storage space for electronics and multimedia items that often accompany your TV. A TV stand with a mount allows you to securely raise your TV and provides an additional surface for storing living room clutter to free up more floor space. This keeps your living area looking tidy and inviting. TV stands with a built-in mount are designed with a cantilever action to provide a counterbalance to the weight of the TV, which means you can still buy a compact stand with a small footprint to create more space in your room while being assured the unit won't topple. Your viewing position not only impacts your enjoyment of the TV show but can also cause back and neck problems due to poor posture. A TV stand with mount enables you to adjust the height and viewing angle of the screen to suit the layout of your living space. Some models offer a height adjustable feature that allows you to manipulate the height of the screen after the TV has been mounted. This can be a useful feature for family homes with occupants who have different height ranges. Move the screen down for the optimal viewing distance for a kid's sleepover, and raise its time to kick back with your favorite movie. TV stands also increase safety. According to the Consumer Product Safety Commission, a child is fatally injured by falling furniture or TVs every 2 weeks. With their tall, slender structure, flat-screen TVs are extremely prone to tipping and can fall with thousands of pounds of force. Mounting the TV anchors it to the wall, but many homeowners are reluctant to damage walls with hardware, or there may be an unsuitable stud in the location of your TV for a wall mount. A TV stand with mount solves this issue by attaching the mount to the solid foundation of the entertainment unit. This provides a counterbalance for the TV to reduce the risk of tipping, and many models can also be attached to the wall with an anti-tipping device for added security. The TV is often the focal point of your living area, so you need a storage and organization solution that coordinates with the rest of your furniture and makes a big style statement. You can find TV stands in a wide range of styles, shapes, and sizes to suit your needs. A metal frame and tempered glass shelves blend in seamlessly with a contemporary style home and give the illusion of even more space due to the reflective nature of the materials. If you have a traditional home, opt for a TV stand with a mount made from wooden materials with antique metallic hardware. Glass-fronted cabinets let you store your devices and media items in style, and a cable management channel in the mount keeps your space clutter-free. Ensure you buy a TV stand that can accommodate the width of your TV set. A general rule to follow is to buy a stand that is 2-3 inches wider than the base of the TV on either side. However, if you are limited for space, a stand that is the same width as your TV can still provide stability. As TV set measurements are measured diagonally rather than across the base, a 65-inch TV stand can accommodate TVs between 65 inches and 75 inches. Make sure that you get your measurements right. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked beautiful modern TV stand design ideas for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.